In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce checkout page with Elementor in just about 5 minutes. If you're running an e-commerce site using WooCommerce, optimizing your checkout page is crucial for enhancing the user experience and increasing conversions. Luckily, with Elementor, you can customize your checkout page easily without having to touch a single line of code. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access the backend of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic begins. Navigate your web browser to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your site's content, including pages, posts, and yes, your WooCommerce checkout page. Once you're in the dashboard, it's time to find the page you want to edit. Look for the Pages option on the left-hand sidebar. This section houses all the pages your website currently has. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages you've created so far. Here, you're one step closer to unleashing the full potential of your checkout page. Scanning through the list, you're looking for one page in particular, the checkout page. This page is the heartbeat of your online store where customers review their carts and finally commit to their purchase. Finding and clicking on the checkout page will get you to the next pivotal step. Now comes the part where Elementor enters the scene. On the checkout page's editing options, you'll spot an Edit with Elementor button. Clicking on this button will transform your screen into Elementor's visual editing interface. If you haven't used Elementor before, prepare to be amazed. It's a drag and drop page builder that makes designing web pages as easy as pie, even if you're not a designer. Inside Elementor, you have the freedom to tailor the checkout page according to your needs and preferences. From adjusting column widths to changing button colors, you can do it all without any coding knowledge. Elementor's intuitive interface lets you select elements, drag them to your page, and customize them in real time. You can add new sections like testimonials or security badges to reassure your customers and inspire confidence in your checkout process. While you're editing, keep in mind the balance between creativity and functionality. It's tempting to add lots of flashy elements, but remember the goal is to make the checkout process as smooth and straightforward as possible for your customers. Test changes as you go to ensure everything works seamlessly and leads to a successful purchase. After you've made your changes, don't rush to hit the publish button without previewing your work. Elementor allows you to see how your redesigned checkout page looks across different devices. This feature is invaluable because it ensures your checkout page is optimized for mobile, tablet, and desktop views, catering to all potential customers. When you're satisfied with the new look and feel of your checkout page, it's time to make it live. Save your changes, exit the Elementor editor, and update the page on WordPress. Congratulations, you've just customized your WooCommerce checkout page with Elementor. Bear in mind, the beauty of Elementor and WordPress is their flexibility. If you ever want to tweak something or you learn new tricks down the line, you can easily jump back in and edit your page again. In conclusion, enhancing your WooCommerce checkout page isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a smooth, trustworthy experience for your customers that encourages them to complete their purchases. By following the steps we discussed today, you can take full control over the design and functionality of your checkout page, ensuring it aligns with your brand and meets your customers' expectations. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial. Whether you're looking to overhaul your checkout page or just make a few tweaks, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Remember, a well-optimized checkout page is key to converting browsers into buyers. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need a refresher. Happy customizing, and here's to boosting your e-commerce success with a checkout page that stands out.